Hey, this is Mark from Mobile Diesel. I thought I would show you this super quick before I put this in the recycling. So what you're looking at is a very bent piston rod. This is the piston sleeve that it came out of. It compressed, it hydrolocked, so there was water that came in through the exhaust. Tried to compress the water. Water is not compressible. No liquid is, at least like a gas. And it bent the rod, slammed into the sleeve, damaged the sleeve so severely that it couldn't be pulled with a regular piston puller, so I had to actually kind of weld up a piece of 5/8" flat iron and use my 10-ton puller and weld this to the sleeve, pull it out. But what I really wanted to show you was this is a rod that I did not replace versus one that I did replace. And one of the final inspections for see if the motor is ready to go is you got to measure deck height of piston protrusion. And this particular one, which was next to this guy, was position number 3, piston number 3, and the deck height only came out 2 1/1000ths when it should have been 4 1/1000ths. So it failed. I had to take a whole bunch of stuff apart, oil pan, all sorts of stuff, in order to pull this out. I thought for sure it would have passed. I was being a little presumptuous, but I just wanted to show that it really looks unbent, and visually you can't always tell. So this one is bent, believe it or not, and I still can't tell, but definitely when I replaced it, then it went up to 4 1/1000ths protrusion. So anyways, I just wanted to show you can't depend on your eye. This was part of that Detroit rebuild. It's all finished now. Okay, thank you.